Alright, y'all, we got Mario ass behind me, G. We finna try to see what we get into, man. Y'all already know the vibes. Big POV shit, man. We gonna see what we get into, man. This bitch 10.5? Yeah. Damn, fuck is they doing? Fuck is this car doing? Damn, let me roll the windows up a little bit. Put hit a little 83 real quick. Finna hit a quick little 83 real quick. Maybe try to get a little racing because he talking crazy. He talking crazy. Is that a cop? Hell no, I thought it was. We came right on time and we finna get the light. I hope we get the light. Shit. If we don't get the light, I'm gonna be mad as hell. We ain't get the light. We ain't get the light, bro. We really ain't get the light, man. Amari ass behind me, though. Y'all can see that. Dang, I can't even see that shit. His bitch ass right behind me, though. It's his slow ass BMW and shit. We just got done hooping, so I just got done beating his ass, busting his ass, made his ass forfeit and some more shit, G. We gonna get into it, though, man. I'm gonna turn this bitch back on when we get by the light, so I don't got that much editing on the guys. All right, we back. What we on? Dusting his ass. Leaving his ass gone. Look at his ass, look at his ass, look at his ass, look at his ass. I had to give him some type of hope. Had to give his ass some type of hope. Had to give his ass some type of hope. Burning his ass, G. Burning that ass, G. I don't see his ass no more. Hopefully the angle's good and shit. Hold on, where you going? Let's see where the fuck he going. I'm lost as hell. I think he's trying to catch this light. Oh shit. Let me see if he's trying to catch the light. Damn, I'm trying to catch light. I was trying to catch the light. Damn, we not catching this motherfucker. Go left? Oh. I don't know what the fuck he just said. I ain't gonna lie. I think he said he following me. My fault, the wind blowing. Hold on. Damn, but he keep putting on the motherfucking side like that though. I can't see a motherfucking thing. Go ahead. Beep that bitch. Beep it.
What you trying to do?
Beep that bitch.
What?
Beep it.
What?
Beep it.
On three. Hey, slow down. All right, get over, get over, get over. Hey. Slow down, slow down. All right, on three.
All right. His ass nowhere to be found. Hell no. Hell no. Oh, you got in my lane? Say no more. Oh shit. Bro, I know the motherfucking angles might be iffy as fuck on this one, G. I'm trying to hold wheel, up and roll down the cameras and some more shit. I'm finna start putting that motherfucker on so we can get off the expressway and go back. Damn. Big ass semi truck. Say, what's today? July 2nd? Why the fuck is so many fireworks going off today? Is it one of the fireworks shows today or something? Gee. I might go by my job real quick so we can take a motherfucking thumbnail. Then we gonna get back over here and start racing again. This truck might not go at this light though. I hope the angle is decent, bro. Amari angle is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be my motherfucking tail lights in some motion. Shit, he can go for real, bro. His ass tweaking. His ass tweaking. I would have been went. Bro, why is he not going? Waiting for the light is crazy. Cops be like over here like crazy. I don't think Amari know that shit either. Cops be right here like crazy. Cops be right here like crazy.
Ain't gonna lie, you got my ass. I fucked it up, but you definitely got my ass.
Oh.
Even if I would have got it right, I probably still would have lost. I ain't gonna
Talking about probably still would have lost. Hold on, we finna go with my job to take a thumbnail real quick.
I'm following you.
Alright. Man, what? This what we talking about, man. This what we up to right now, man. Big POV, man. I say Cops be hot right here. I got his ass doing about 55, 60, and a 35. We get put over together, man. The best way to do it. Damn that bitch. Damn that bitch. Damn, why you trying to go around, G? Damn. Damn. OD just burned his shit. OD burned his shit. OD burned your shit. Burning your shit. OD burning his shit. Hell no. Hell no, G. OD burning your shit. Burn it. What you mean?
Like, come on.
Hell yeah.
Motherfuckers
I had to get a quick little thumbnail of the cars real quick. Tell me that weak ass Chrysler had your ass in tail lights. Tail lights, shorty. Yeah. How my ass look? How my ass look? I know all you seen was ass back there, G. My ass, G.
I was on your ass.
Nah, you was behind my ass the whole time. You was chasing my shit. You ain't even want it for real.
I hate you.
You ain't want it for real.
Come on, get your bitch ass little thumbnail. I'm hungry as hell.
You ain't even want it for real. What you gotta say to the camera, bitch?
I
got a lot to
that
say.
Chrysler any other day.
So, yeah, when it's,
today.
you want to smoke that bitch when it's raining, but you don't want to smoke that bitch when it's dry.
I smoke that bitch any other day.
Why you popping hood?
Let my shit breathe. Bro.
Letting your shit breathe is crazy work.
I gotta let my shit breathe. I've been torching my shit for last week, bro. Like, for real. I've been over-torching
Damn,
my
what?
shit.
Touching
my
it.
shit-
I'm
my
not touching
shit
that
hot.
shit. I believe it. Man, check engine light from
My
beyond.
shit hell no. This bitch need to breathe, that's all.
He said that bitch need to breathe,
Come
man.
on, get your weak ass.
Hold on.
in
Oh God, keep your shit just like that. I'ma burn his ass so bad. Motherfucking car won't turn back on this bullshit. Ah, what you talking about?
there.
Hell no. We out of here, man.